Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I want to talk today about a signal that I almost always will take, and sometimes when I most likely would not. And I'll talk about the difference. So, right here, this is the parabolic SAR indicator. It's free on most platforms. Sometimes it's called the parsar. It's the same thing. And it's really the only indicator that I use. As you can see, I don't have anything else other than a bar timer on my chart. We are looking at the NASDAQ 5-minute time frame, NASDAQ futures, that is. Let's talk about what is actually happening here with this indicator. Okay, so it generally is following the direction of the price action. So in this case, we are going down, 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 and it is following along down, 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 down. Then here, this candle would have busted into what would have been the next parabolic SAR dot. Well, as you can see, it went higher than that. So what that does is it flips the indicator down to the bottom and says, hey, we're going to stop and reverse. That's the SAR, stop and reverse. So we're going to go up. But in this case, it couldn't really get it going. It got a little stuck and choppy in this vicinity. So what ended up happening was we said, oh, we're going to go up. But then this came down, this candle came down so low that it actually flipped this one up to the top. And then on the very next candle, we had gotten ourselves back to green on that initial candle and then worked our way higher again, so flipped it back down. So this is what I call a flip-flop. So let's look at, there are two on this chart here. One was at the open right here. Now, would I take that or not? Not usually, because there's just so much volatility that it's going to get crazy and it easily could flip directions and then flip right back. Okay, that's not necessarily a solid signal. But what is often a more solid signal is this. This is a generally strong signal to say, no, I really did mean to go up. Just couldn't get it sorted right away. So now I'm actually going to go up. So often, very, very often, I will take these signals after a flip-flop and say, okay, if we are resuming the initial direction of up here, even though it couldn't get it going, well, it certainly did here, and I was able to take advantage of some of that today. So check out these flip-flops. It works on any time frame you want to use, whether it's a 2-minute, a 60-minute, whatever. And it's not always going to be the case where it will actually get into profit. Of course, nothing is 100% of the time, but that is something that I tend to look at quite a bit. I did want to mention the Apex sale to you. This does end tonight. That's in 9 hours and 27 minutes from this recording. The coupon code is LUCRA, L-U-C-R-A, and they do have the Legacy 250 account. Let me just scroll down here. On sale now, this is only $17.76 with that coupon code. Now again, this is Legacy, which I kind of like. I grabbed one of these. And then they also, of course, have their more current options with the end of day trail, et cetera, et cetera. No activation fee, all of that. That's all the new stuff. And you can get the 5-packs on those. These are also on sale, by the way. $19.90 for the little intraday, 25K, awesome. So take a look at which ones will fit with your trading plan, with your budget, etc., and make the best choice for you. Again, that link and coupon code is down below. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.